Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Yashwant. In this video, I'm going to explain about the scholarship programs that are available by Google and you can apply for it and avail the scholarship benefits as well. Let's get into the video. So as you can see on my screen, this is the official Google Careers website where you see the scholarships opportunity where you can explore the student and travel scholarships, both aiming to support and inspire pursuing careers in technology, right? So if I scroll down a bit, if you can see here, they have Generation Google Scholarship for APAC, so people who are in Asia Pacific, Japan. So you get up to $2,500 US, and for the people who are in North America, Generation Google Scholarship, you get up to $10,000 US or 5,000 Canadian dollars. And it also varies by scholarship in that particular region as well. If you see here, for EMEA they have Generation Google Scholarship EMEA, Asia and Middle East and Africa regions, and they also have it for Ireland, right? So if you see here, some of the scholarship are exclusively for women in computer science, and the rest of them is available for everyone, right? So let's explore all of them in this particular video and see what are the benefits that we are going to get. All right, so first let me open up Generation Google Scholarship for APAC for women in computer science. So if you see here, this program is already closed. I believe the deadline for this is closed. So application is closed for 2025. So we can skip this, but you can keep an eye on this particular link or the website. I'll make sure to provide the link in the description box below, or if I get 1,000 likes on this particular video, I'm going to add that link in the description. All right. So if you see here, this program is for Asia Pacific and Japan, including people who are staying in India as well. You get up to $2,500 US, which is, let me show you that as well in INR. Okay, so you get up to 2,18,945 rupees in Indian rupees. Okay, so you can check out this, and you can see here the Generation Google Scholarship for women in computer science were established to help students pursuing computer science degrees excel in technology and become leaders in the field. So selected students will receive $2,500 US for 2025-2026 academic year. So the Generation Google Scholarship for women in computer science will be awarded based on the strength of each candidate's demonstrated leadership, academic performance, and financial need. So the program is open to students who meet all the minimum qualifications. For students who may not be eligible, we strongly encourage you to visit Google Careers for Students page to find out about alternate opportunities and programs that you are available, right? So you can see here for all the things. Okay, so next let's understand it for Generation Google Scholarship for North Americans. If you see here, the amount is $10,000 US or 5,000 CAD. So the location is North America or United States and Canada. So the deadline to apply for this particular scholarship is Thursday, August 14, 2025, or whenever they hit 1,250 eligible application responses, then they will close this application. Okay, so make sure to apply as soon as you see this video. So this will help you get up to $10,000 US for those who are studying in the US, or 5,000 Canadian dollars for those who are studying in Canada, right? For 2025 and 2026 school year. So you can see the terms and conditions here, and if you have any questions, you can also email them. Okay, so this is about Generation Google Scholarship North America. Next, let us see for the other regions as well. So this is Generation Google Scholarship for women in computer science, Europe, Middle East and Africa. So this is specifically to this region, and they have not specified the amount actually because it varies based on the scholarship in the region where you are applying. The location is Europe, Middle East and Africa. Again, the deadline is same, 14th August 2025, or when 500 eligible application responses are received. So I think you can go ahead and apply for this. you have the availability right now. So and you will be receiving up to 7,000 EUR or local equivalent for the 2025-2026 years. Okay, so I encourage all of you to try out this. If you do not get, that's fine, but there is nothing wrong in trying and seeing how your luck goes, right? And also it depends on the application criteria. Like I mentioned, you need to fill in all the details, and you can see the terms and conditions, and you can also email them if you have any questions, right? So this is about Generation Google Scholarship for women in computer science, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Similarly, for students who are in Ireland, for the women in Ireland, there is application as well. So it is 14th August again. When 80 eligible application responses are received, they're going to close this. So you will also get up to 5,000 EUR award for 2 consecutive years for their undergraduate studies. So these are some of the important things that you need to be aware of. I think this is going to help you a lot if you are an international student pursuing your masters or your undergraduates in US or Ireland or Canada. So if you are liking the content that I'm creating, please like the video and share it with your friends who are pursuing their career, or they are just started exploring their opportunities in the countries like the North America, Canada, or Ireland. So this is one part of service that you can do them, because this is not a small amount, right? So this will help you a lot if you want to pursue education in international colleges. So that's all I wanted to share in this particular video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.